call me Picasso because look at this bee face. This is a work of art. Like, if I was in art class and they told us to do this, I'd make 110. Like, my grade would have been booming. Like, What's up, y'all? It's Alisha Rena, the best part of your day, and it's Vlogmas Day 25.
Baby girl, come lead me through the darkness like I'm blind. You say what you don't mean, girl, I'm just trying to read your mind. I wanna make this perfect, but I know it takes some time. One thing for sure is that I will never count you.
Okay, y'all, so as you can see by the title, I will be doing first time, doing my makeup full face, like, oh, baby, close up, like, smooth, cracks wears it. Like, look at that, so flawless. For this to be my first try, like, sis, look. I need a round of applause. I'll wait. Thank you. Thank you. You can take your seats now. All right, you can stop now. All right, whatever. But, yeah, so before I even get into the video, you guys saw that I pretty much ended Vlogmas on day 17. And that's only because, like, y'all, I just didn't want to upload, like, bad content. Like, content I want to be proud of and stuff like that. So it is what it is. I didn't want to upload any bad content. So I was just like, let me not upload any at all, and I'll just try again next year or the year after that, just depending on how I'm feeling. So I'm sorry I failed y'all with Vlogmas again this year, but they say the third time's the charm. So we're going to have to try 2021. Oh, 2021 for sure, because I'm turning 21. Okay, period. So, yeah. So let's get into the video. So, yeah. I do apologize for that, y'all. Forgive your girl. You know how I get. But let's not make it a habit. Anyways, let's get into the video. I'm going to take my all-time favorite palette, my Warriors, The Warriors by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to take my favorite color out of there, and that is the color Kano. So I'm going to get my brush that I always use that one for, and I'm going to get the color Kano. And I'm going to go dot, and I'm going to go in circles around the top. Lightly brush so that it can have a feathery look and not too harsh. I did that. I am going to go in with my Impressed You by Beauty Glaze. This is the cheap version of another brand. I just don't know the name of it. I'm going to take these 4 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to kind of like go on my lid and work my way up. And we're just going to blend that upwards. Oh, I need some better light in my room for one. So once I do that, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place palette again. The color Mino, mixed with a little bit of the red from any color red from the other palette. And I'm going to kind of go like on the outside. So and kind of bring it in just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. And make sure when it's coming out in the end, it's more darker. Okay. It looks so much better on camera. So much for being the queen of eyeshadow, but if I can fix this, I still am the queen. And then I'm going to take my old brush that I just used for Kano. I'm going to just go around and just blend that out over there and blend it out over here. Like so, and kind of like just rub it in sideways on this side, rub it in sideways on that side. Bam. So you got your little smoky look. And with our foundation, I wear NC45. I've never tried, what is it called? I've never tried MAC foundation before, but this is what she said is my skin tone. But honestly, y'all, I'm going to go in with some more lotion because I really don't want my junk looking cakey. So I'm going to go in with my Vaseline Intensive Care. Rub it on my hands. Rub it on my face. Because one thing I cannot stand when I see people's makeup is like super crusty makeup. Like it just looks so dry. So I'm going to go in with that again. Especially just around the areas where I'm typically dry as that. So once I do that, I'm going to get my beauty blender, and I'm going to get my Brighten, what is this? This is Hard Candy 24-hour long wear hydration. So I wonder if I do that first, okay? Then wet my beauty blender with this. I know you're supposed to use water, but oh well. So I'm going to get my, I don't even know how I should, on my hand. And my hand's going to be dirty. Okay. So, I don't even know if this is enough. This should be enough. So here's the color of my hand. It looks really good on my hand, so. Alrighty, so then I'm going to dap it in here. And just put it on my face like so. Ooh. Ooh. This is actually pretty close. I'm just gonna dab, dab, dab. I don't know if I should be using the other end though. So I'm gonna blend this out and come back. Okay, so now that I have my makeup blended out, well, my foundation blended out, I'm going to take my Total Control She Makeup, and I'm going to use that as concealer. I don't know what the name is. So, anyways, it's really light, and I'm going to just use that as my concealer. Then up under that, I'm going to take my Pro Concealer to kind of get more in the lower areas. So, just watch. Okay, y'all, so once I'm done with my highlighting portion, okay, I'm going to go in with my contour to kind of bring some warmth back up to my face. And with my contour that I'm using today, I'm using the Rum Spice by Black Radiance, I believe. That's who it is. And I'm just going to, yeah, do that. I don't like to put a lot of bronzer because I just don't. I don't know what I'm saying because, like, I've done this. That's why I don't like to, because I'm scared. That's why. Because I don't want it to be too harsh. And, yeah, that's about it. And I'm really running out of this. This was my mom's. So, I'm just using some of hers. I mean, I'm just going really by what I've seen on, like, videos and stuff like that. Because I've never... I don't know if I'm even supposed to contour down there. Okay. And now I'm supposed to draw a line right here. Ooh, child. I mean, makeup is art for real. Sure. Okay, so I'm going to get my brush. And it's just like, I think it's a buffing brush for like contour. And I'm just kind of going to go. No, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use my beauty blender. And I'm going to just go in circles, kind of like, so it doesn't be like so harsh or anything like that. Ooh. It's looking a little harsh though. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm doing this wrong. You can't even see where I really contoured at. This looks horrible. Okay, I'm about to cry. is wet it down again. So what was I doing? Okay, so right here. Alrighty, just kind of like, I guess, I don't even know what motion I'm really supposed to go in. I know a lot of people say if you're doing like contour, you know, do it while you're doing your foundation so you can have a better blend or something like that. I don't know. Ooh, and I think this foundation dries really fast. This don't even feel like it's defining my face any. Like, what the heck? Okay. And I know you're not supposed to drag your brush, but guess who did it? I did. Okay. I don't know, y'all. This thing's supposed to make my nose look skinny, and I don't see a difference. Maybe I need to go in with like a powder bronzer as well. Just gonna y'all, maybe I need a darker bronzer because this ain't it. Unless I'm not rubbing hard enough. I just don't want it to be looking like, ooh. I got a strong face or anything. Yeah, I know it's about to look like I'm about to go in with so much makeup, which I am. Because I'm about to go back in with this stuff right here to kind of extend my brightness and kind of get right here. I think they say use your real foundation for that, but I'm going to use some of this. Dot, dot, not a lot. Dot, dot, not a lot. Just as something to create a difference between that. Y'all. Alright, whatever. I mean, at this point, I'm going to just keep it like this because whatever. So anyways, now I'm going to go with my blush. Use my blush from this palette as well. This smile. Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. Y'all can't even tell a difference. Like, I'm trying to really get in here for y'all. Like, y'all see that? So, and just use whatever highlight you usually use. Ooh, I think a little bit too harsh. Ooh, I put too much. But, yeah, that is definitely too much. I mean, this highlighter is something serious. All I wanted was something real nice and natural. But I gotta make it look the same. Like, sis, shine bright like my highlight. Shine bright like my highlight. Shine bright like my highlight. I'm gonna go in with my Marimi Anamina. And I'm just gonna go like right in here. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go and do my lips. I don't really have like lip figures. Like, I don't have a figure of a lip. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really have definition. So I had to make my own definition. So, and I'm not good at lip liner either. Let me just fast forward this because I don't even want to disappoint y'all. Okay, so this is the look. So now I'm gonna spray my face. Whew, just keep it real dewy. Let's get into the light. Hold on, let me put my. So this is the final look. I'm looking like a baddie, okay? Teeth looking real white and shiny, okay? But yes, this is like, 'tis the season look right here, okay? This is the reason why you should be jolly. But anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this quote-unquote tutorial / my first time doing makeup, or full face makeup. And oh, baby, if I nailed it, give it a thumbs up. If I failed it, give it a thumbs down. But you can't give it a thumbs down. If you give it a thumbs down, you're a hater. Because who you know who beat face like this on the first try? I'll wait. Nobody. Okay, period. But anyways, y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for joining me with Vlogmas. It will be more videos uploading soon, but it's not gonna be a Vlogmas. It's gonna be after Vlogmas. So yeah, stay tuned for all that, y'all. So XOXOXO, it's Alisha Rena here, and I'm out.